Hello there, Jody Gadgeters. How are you doing? Today I've got my hands on the Mario Kart Live Home Circuit, which I'm quite excited about. If nobody knows what it is, it's Mario Kart for the Switch, but you make your own track around your house. And Mario is actually on his kart and he drives around the track in your house as you're playing. So we're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you how to set up a track, and we're going to show you how to play the game. So because of what it is, I've got kids and adults here to help us today, as you can imagine.
Hi everyone, my name's Lena.
Right, so let's open this bad boy up and see what we get with it.
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, let's just tip them on each side.
Lena, don't touch that.
So it says, first download the software. That's
Obviously.
foreign, isn't it? But we'll have to do it.
Yeah. That's obvious.
So it looks like you download it from the Nintendo eShop rather than having a cart.
These are all the things we need.
We've got we've got a charging cable for Mario's cart, I take it. What comes out next? Oops. This must be Mario. Will you want to open that?
Hello, Sunny Jane.
Careful with it though.
Open it then. Open it. Right after. Good job. Cool.
Well, that's happening. Let's see what else we've got here. There's nothing else in that bit, so that bit comes out. What does this say? Don't rip it open, I think it says.
There we go, we've got it
Oh, is
open.
Mario out yet? He's quite big, isn't he? I thought
He's
it's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, he's huge.
So he needs to be charged. So does someone want to be in charge of plugging him in using this cable?
Yeah.
Maybe not the 5-year-old.
Yeah, maybe not the 5-year-old.
And then here will be the gates.
Maybe me. I've opened it for you.
The gates and the
I'm like one of those glamorous assistants from one of the game show. Do you agree?
God, everything's bigger than I thought. Like I thought these would be like tiny little corners, but the
I was waiting for you to
Can he
take the
be?
pick out of us there, but you didn't.
Look, guys. I can go 10 rounds.
Mushrooms.
Turtles, I guess. Banana.
so these are the gates. So this is gate number 3. And you assemble them. All right, the legs just look at that. The legs just pull out like this.
Everything's huge.
See? And then, but you're supposed to be charging him.
Well, where was it? What was it?
And then you need some assembly here by foam cardboard.
I think we should like
Arlo's gonna have to help him do that.
I'm trying to do this with one hand, so
That's fine. We're just keeping it together. Where do I charge it?
okay, so that just folds around there.
Give it in.
Like that. And then this.
Right now, can we put it in? Where else you want to use it? Long.
So nice. Let us go there.
This side.
Can he? Let's do the same on the other side. Just one bit of cardboard that needs fold it over like that. There we go. There's the first gate.
Yay, we done it!
So mushrooms on one side, number 3 on the other. Right. Go take Mario to be charged then. I'm just going to do that again for all the other ones. The little arrow signs. Just pull out the bottom like that.
Now we're going to figure out
And just stand like that.
what it is.
There we go. So we've got 4
This is that.
gates and
I know what's that.
two of these directional things.
That's how it's.
So we're going to set up a track and see how it works after that. So the software is downloading on the Switch right now. It says it's only going to take 7 minutes, so it's not that big.
There's about 3 minutes left now.
3 minutes left.
So
So we've set up a track. I've no idea this is right, but we'll see what happens when we go in the software. So we've got gate 1 here, so this is where you'll start. And then gate 2's over there, so you'll go like diagonally across there. And then there's arrows there, so you go round there. Gate 3's there, through there, and then across there, through 4, and back around to 1. So it's like a figure of 8 in the living room. So
Put some things around to be cool.
let's see what the game tells us we can do when we start it. First thing I noticed I did wrong when I started the game was these actually lie flat. These bits, and they've actually got arrows in for the direction the car's supposed to go through them. So I've sorted that out now. Software's downloaded and we're just busy setting it up. So it's busy updating the firmware on the cart, and the way you pair it is you turn this on by pressing the ignition button, it calls it, and then a QR code appears on the screen. You point the QR code towards the camera on Mario's cart. So he's busy, so he's connected now to the switch, and it's just updating the firmware. So he's on the floor now, and I guess this is where we set the track up. So as you can see, he's looking at gate 1 over there, if it focuses properly. There, you can see on the screen now.
Can you see me? No.
So it says, "You made it, I'm here to help you earn your official license to drive a cart." So I think we're just going to run through, set up the track now. So this is really cool. It's like you're driving around, and you can see on the screen, and then you can see the carts moving over there as well. And you actually set up the track here driving around. So I'm going through gate 4 now, and then around. And even just doing this in the track was quite fun. And if I crash into something, Mario actually recognised I've crashed. Like, watch, you see how he does that on the screen? That's brilliant, that. So the boy's having a go now, and he's absolutely loving it on Yolo.
It's a mint. Why is it my turn?
You can get a turn next, Lena. So you did some things before, then you get a driving license, and it gets you to take a picture of yourself using Mario's camera on the Mario Kart. That's quite cool as well. Like this, is, even we're not playing the proper game yet. We're just practicing, but this is brilliant.
Oh, I nearly hit that. Oh.
So Mario's just drove around with painting these tyres, and it's created the course there. You can see there's my figure of 8 with the gates marked. So I think we're close to being able to play a game now. So the boy's doing his first race now. Well, that was a lot of fun. If you've got kids or adults who like Mario Kart, or even don't,
And you must do it.
I would thoroughly recommend this. It's just really fun. So yeah, I think it's about £100. You can get Mario and Luigi.
It's like 99.
So we got the Mario one.
99
Yeah.
pounds.
Yes, very cool. Kids loved it as well. Well, it's all just packed away easily and nicely there. So I'd recommend keeping the box to keep it all in, keep it safe. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's obviously quite a lot of money for a game, but obviously this game's a bit different from just playing a normal game. There's obviously this physical element of a game, which is always a bit different. So I'm just looking at the box as well, and it says up to 4 players can race together. Everyone needs a cart, a console, and a copy of the software. So what I'm wondering is what would be good is if you can buy just the carts, because obviously we've got everything else in here. I don't think you can use more gates than the 4. I can't see anything that says you can. So if you could just buy more carts, then you could have like a family game with everyone. Everyone needs a Switch as well, so that's obviously another limitation, but we've got 2 Switches in this house. So yeah, something to keep in mind if you think we'll get one. That's something I was wondering about, if you can have more than one kart racing at the same time when you can. Right, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Good night.
Bye, y'all.